Hey everybody, today we're going to be installing the new AFA front bumper for my 2022 600 Touring. I've been waiting for a few months for this to come in, so I'm pretty excited it's finally here. Let's get into it. Alright, first thing we're going to do, pop out the 4 bolts. Alright, now that we got the top rack covers off, I had a bit of a vibration issue here with that, so I put some weather stripping in there to quiet that down. But anyway, now that we've got the front and left rack cover off, we can now very easily get to this bolt here and this bolt here, so we can slide the new bumper in between this mounting point right here. Now we need to loosen or let out the winch so we can get at these bolts right here and drop that fair lead pulley off. Alright, now we're going to take our 5/8 socket, loosen this up. Okay, now we're exposed there, so we can go up top and loosen these nuts. Okay, we're going to take our 1/2-inch socket, back this boy right out of here. And now we'll do the same on the right hand side. Okay, now we're going to take our bumper, lift up on the rack to slide it in there. And we're going to line up the holes around the winch. Okay, now that we've got our top secured, we're going to come down here. We've got our 2 bolt holes. Line these up.